ang employer.
What did you do in the Philippines?
I work in National
National Steel. What did you do in National Steel?
Engineer.
Engineer. Looks like your resume is very good, very long.
Thank you, thank you.
10 pages, 10 pages of resume. Have you worked in the Canadian company?
Actually, none. Yes, I still alive. I just arrived.
No Canadian experience? Okay. I will call you in 4 months' time and see if this
So you're applying for what position?
Accountant, sir.
Accountant. Accountant. What was your favorite last job from?
I was the payroll supervisor, sir, in National Steel Corporation in the Philippines.
In the Philippines? Where is the Philippines?
It's in Asia, sir. I work in the biggest steel company in the Philippines.
It's not in Japan. Oh, okay. So, how many months have you been working in Canada?
I never worked. We just arrived, sir.
Okay. So, you have experience in the Philippines, no experience in Canada. You can come back for, maybe I will be calling you for maybe 2 or 3 months. Okay?